guys, this is Dr. Suguna. Have you ever wondered what is programming? What is it all about? I'm going to break down the basics and also give you a clear understanding of what a programming is. Programming is a process of creating software, apps, and other digital products using programming languages. What is programming languages? Programming languages are set of instructions that you will tell a computer what to do. Programming is used to solve problems, automate the task, and it will also create new technology. Learning a programming can open up a wide range of opportunities. The most popular programming languages include Java, Python, JavaScript, and C++. So if you are interested in technology and want to learn more about programming, start exploring the programming languages and see which one interests you the most. And if you want to know more about that, follow us